Hello everyone, welcome to Scratch Tutorials by Uman Shagarwal. Have you ever used Alexa or Siri and asked some questions like the current date and time? Like when you ask, Alexa, what's the date and time right now? Alexa will answer with current date and time.
Today's date is June 29th, 2025. Today's current time is 12:35 and 19 seconds.
Pretty good, right? In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple Scratch project that works like a virtual assistant and tells you the current date and time. But before we get into the code, let's first see a quick demo of a Scratch-based date and time virtual assistant in action. Here is my virtual assistant named Ria. She will tell you the date and the current time. Let's see.
Hello friends. Do you want to know the today's date and current time? Just click on me.
It means she is asking, do you want to know the date and time? Just click on her.
Today's date is June 29th, 2025. Today's current time is 12:35 and 19 seconds.
This is the date and the current time. The current time is 12 hours, 35 minutes, 19 seconds. Do you want to make this interesting project with me? Here we go. First we will delete this sprite and we will take a backdrop. Scroll down and you will get Jurassic. You can also search it. I'll take Jurassic. Now I will take a sprite. I'll search character 2. Here's it. I'll not take this one. Go to costumes. I will take this character 2-F. Great. I'll name this Ria. All set up done. The size is also perfect. Now we will start with the coding. First we will take extension. You will see a blue block in the corner. Click on that and in the fourth position you will see text to speech. Make your projects talk. We are going to take this one. Click on it and here you see. This means speak. She will speak. Like I put when flag clicked. Speak hello.
Hello.
She said hello. I'll put when flag clicked again. I'll take this. This means there are multiple of sounds. Tenor, squeak, giant, kitten. Kitten means meow. Alto is a girl sound. This is a girl, so I choose alto. Tenor is a boy sound. If I choose a boy, it can be tenor sound. Like you can see.
Hello.
If I change it to tenor,
Hello.
it changed to a boy sound. Interesting. Now we'll start with the coding. We will take when flag clicked. Text to speech, speak. Instead of hello, we will type hello friends. Here we go. Let's try it.
Hello friends.
She said hello friend. Right? Now we will go to control. Wait 1 second. 0.5 second we will take instead of 1 second. Now let's take say and speak. First let's type here. Do you want to know the today's date and current time Just click on me. Here we go. Just select this. Press Ctrl C means copy. Select this. In the next block, speak hello. To Ctrl V means paste. Oh, let's try it.
Hello friends. Do you want to know the today's date and current time? Just click on me.
She's asking, do you want to know the today's date and current time? Just click on me. Great. Now we will take when this sprite clicked. We will go to text to speech, set voice to alto. Go to looks, take say block, go to operators. You will see a join apple banana block. Apple banana. Go to sensing, take current year. First we will take current date. Here we will put one more join. We will use 4 join blocks. Here slash. One more join. Here we will put the current one. Current month. Here one more join. The last join. Slash. Go to sensing. Take current year. We want current year. How many joins are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now take text to speak. Go to text to speak. Speak. We will take duplicate this project. We will decrease the size because it's too big. Between these both, we will put this again. Join this. We'll type today's date is because it is telling the date. Let's see it's telling the date or not.
Hello friends. Do you want to know the today's date and current time? Just click on me.
I clicked on her.
Today's date is June 29th, 2025.
Today's date is June 29, 2025. That is what she is saying. Now we are going to do the code of the time. In the same, take speak. Current time is. Today's current time is. We'll just take speak and say. Right? In say. Again, the same thing will come. Just we can duplicate this, put it here. We can change this current date to current hour, just to current minute, this to current second. Duplicate this, put it here. We got here hour again. Oh, minute. Got the minute. Instead of this slash, we will put colon. Colon. Let's try it.
Hello friends. Do you want to know the today's date and current time? Just click on me. Today's date is June 29th, 2025. Today's current time is 12:57 and 39 seconds.
Oh, great. To make you understand, I'll show you in a big screen. The background is great. Sprite is looking nice.
Hello friends. Do you want to know the today's date and current time? Just click on me.
She's asking, do you want to know the today's date and current time? Yes, I want. I'll just click on her.
Today's date is June 29th, 2025. Today's current time is 12:58 and 26 seconds.
She said the date is June 29, 2025 and the time is 12 hours, 58 minutes, 26 seconds. Great. I hope you like and understand this video and enjoy this project. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.